What do you say to Senator Rand Paul, who is a no as a result of everything you're putting forth this morning, whether it be those taxes being left in, whether it be the expansion in Medicaid? What do you say to Senator Rand Paul?
Well, I think the senator's been pretty straightforward. I think the senator's made it clear that he would vote for a repeal. Our question is so what about those folks that are left in the middle then? And what do we do to help those folks that basically would have huge increases in their premiums during a transition period? So I respect Senator Paul. I think he really is trying to get to the point where he feels comfortable with a new plan. But at the same time, I think I can make this bill better yet, but it may not be everything I want either.
Right.
But I'm not going to let the perfect get in the way of the good.
Yeah.
And right now, I'll take this over Obamacare. And when we're all said and done with it, would we rather have Obamacare for another couple of years and see this thing go outrageously high, 40% increases in premiums in the next couple of years? Or do we want something now that begins to transition back into a competitive market?
Let me quickly transition here. Janet Yellen is testifying before the Senate Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs Committee today. This is your committee. You serve on that committee. What do you want to look for? What do you want to get from Janet Yellen today?
Well, I think we'll hear some consistency with what she talked with the House members about yesterday. She's going to report that while there is a stagnancy in actual income for Americans themselves, inflation rate has remained down. I think she's going to point to the fact that they're going to begin eliminating some of their bond portfolio that they've been carrying. One of the things I'm curious about is maybe a discussion about long-term debt versus short-term debt. You know, as interest rates do rise, and as the cost of borrowing at the governmental level goes up because of that, should we be talking about more long-term debt for this country, or should we be staying where we have been for the last couple of years, which in some more volatile but less expensive short-term debt?
Senator, real quick, you want to see her reappointed?
Look, I think she is very capable. The discussions that I've had say that she is consistent. She's been open with us. I think she's been straightforward with us. So
I guess the answer is yes?
I would have no objection with that at all.
Senator, good to see you, sir. Thanks so much. Appreciate your time this morning. Senator Mike Rounds. We'll be